You guys want to play What's in the Truck again? What did Sketchy bring home? Let's see. I know why you're watching. It's the only reason why you guys watch my channel, right? What do you think could be in this? Guess. Yeah, 30 seconds. I'm not waiting. Dun dun dun. C-scooters. I bought C-scooters. Gonna set that dude down. Apparently on its side. All right. So, pick these bad boys up for $100, 50 bucks each. The Scuba Pro Sea Shuttle. I don't know if they work because there is no charger, but I bet nobody guessed that. So I'm already trying to find ways, bigger battery, better battery, whatever. Probably lithium. These are from the 90s, so I know they probably didn't have lithium back then. So I can make them light. I'm hoping to maybe beef up the motors or something. You know, just a cool little build. But this should help me on my diving videos there. Please ignore the mess. It's 100-something degrees today, and I'm melting. So, but this is my next new little project here. C-scooters. I bet nobody guessed what Sketchy Jesse would bring home. You guys never guess. Never. So, but all right. I'm going inside. It's hot, but that's what's in the truck for today. More toys. Keep watching, follow, like, subscribe. You know the drill. I'm trying to go somewhere with this, and it would be great if it would work out. So I would appreciate anybody that would like and subscribe and wants to be a part of my channel. So check me out.